In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails from group email address in Google Workspace 5 minutes. If you use a shared address like support@ or info@, this walkthrough will show you how to send messages from that group right inside your own Gmail account. Before we begin, make sure you're a member of the group and that you can receive messages sent to it because you'll need a verification code to finish the setup. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and signing into the account you'll be sending from. In the top right, click the gear icon to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings dashboard where we can manage sending identities and aliases. Head over to the Accounts and Import tab. Look for the section labeled Send Mail As. This is where Gmail lists the addresses you're allowed to send from. To add your group address, click Add Another Email Address. A small window will appear asking for a name and an email. In the name field, enter the display name you want recipients to see, such as your team or department. In the email address field, type the group email exactly as it's configured in your organization. Click Next Step, then choose Send Verification. Gmail will send a one-time code to the group address to confirm you have permission to use it. Open the inbox where that group's messages are delivered. This may be your own inbox if the group forwards to members or the group's shared mailbox. Find the message from Gmail, copy the verification code, and paste it into the prompt to verify. Once verified, the group address will appear under Send Mail as in your settings. Now you're ready to use it. Compose a new email. In the From line, click your address to open the dropdown and select the group email you just added. Gmail will now send that message as the group, so recipients see the group address and can reply to it. If you don't immediately see the From field, start typing the recipient and then click the From address to choose the group identity. That's the whole process. Open Gmail, go to Settings, Accounts, and Import, add the group under Send Mail As, verify the code, and select the group address when composing. A quick tip as you start using this: keep your tone and signature aligned with the team so recipients know they're hearing from the group. If anything doesn't appear as expected, double check that you're a member of the group and that it delivers messages to you so you can receive the verification email.